All right, folks, we got a little Ford 3600 here. This came in as a trade. The motor, the crankshaft is bad. This tractor did not get the oil topped off or changed or checked for quite some time, and whoever owned it before blew the motor up. It is showing 605 hours. This tractor's got real good straight sheet metal on it. If somebody had a tractor that had a good motor, needed a transmission or all new body, this tractor's in good shape. We did take the wheels and tires off of it as they were needed for another piece of equipment. So this is going to be sold as is here at Bata Farm Machinery. No wheels and tires. Motor does not run. Give us a call down here if you've got any questions.